performance task in math.
Hi, my name is Erin. This is my PT at
Math.
math.
Anong gagawin mo?
One,
Addition.
addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Write it on the box here, on the box.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Top 10. Next.
1, 2, 3. 1, 1.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Next.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 8.
Next, yung kabila naman. Ito namang next.
I already drew my name on it.
Okay, sige
1,
na.
2, 3.
Okay.
One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four, 5.
Hmm.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7.
Baliktad 6, 7. Baliktad yung 7 mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ayusin mo. Count it properly. Count it properly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hmm.
1, 0.
Hmm.
1, 0.
Thank you.